Live, this is Fox 56 News, First at 10. Raising the Roof is sponsored by NEPA Builders.
A winner has now been decided in the Raising the Roof project. One person has chosen to receive a new roof for their home. Fox 56 photojournalist Bill Lewis spoke with the owner of NEPA Builders to highlight why this is important for the community.
I broke down and I did cry. My husband passed away a year ago unexpectedly, and then in the home inspection we found out we needed a roof as well, which was financially going to be hard for us. I don't know what would happen this winter if it wasn't replaced, because it was really bad. It was worse than I thought.
We wanted to do something that only a builder can do for its community. So we thought about food drives and we thought about, different things like that, but we decided that being able to replace a roof for somebody that needs it is something that only a builder can do to help its community. So, food is important, all these things are important, but the shelter and the protection of someone's home, I think is so important on another level that it really just was like, this is obvious that this is what we want to do.
Doreen is one of those people that just would do anything for anybody. She would always put other people well before her. And I felt that, based on the last year, and it was a rough year, that she absolutely deserved this in more ways than one. She's an amazing person, an amazing sister, an amazing mother. So there was no doubt in my mind that she deserved this, and that's just what I wrote in the essay for the application.
They don't have to do this. They want to do this for the communities, and it's an amazing thing, and I'm really grateful. They're a great group of people.